Merging cells. You can merge two or more cells in a table to create one large cell. This is used frequently to merge the columns of the top row to create the title of the table. You can merge cells row-wise or column-wise. To merge cells of a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells that you want to merge. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Click on Merge Cell command in the Merge group. The cells get merged. After merging the cells, sometimes the content of the cells get mixed up. You can easily change the layout and fix it later. Splitting a cell. You can easily split a cell into multiple cells. To split a cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer inside the cell to be split. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Select on Split Cells command in the Merge group. A Split Cells dialog box. Step 4. Enter the desired number of columns into the number of columns box and number of rows into the number of rows box. Step 5. Click OK. You can divide a cell into many cells row-wise or column-wise or both.